Before you try anything else, restart your computer. Restarting the device fixes the problems that occur due to a minor glitch. If the problem appears again after restarting your computer, try the next potential fix. The Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter is an automated tool that helps users fix hardware-related problems on their Windows computers. The issue that you are facing might be due to a hardware issue. Therefore, running the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter may help. You can run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter by executing the following command in an elevated command prompt: msdt.exe id device diagnostic. Open the Task Manager. Look for Microsoft Paint under the Processes tab. Right-click on the Microsoft Paint process and select End Task. In Windows 11, open Settings and go to Accessibility, then select Mouse. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.